If Microsoft Edge is showing a network error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether a website is not loading, keeps timing out, or Edge is just refusing to connect properly, these steps can help get your browser working again without needing any advanced tech skills. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should do is clear your cookies and cache, because corrupted browser data is one of the most common reasons Edge starts acting up. To do that, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Here, make sure you select the options for cookies and cached images and files. If you want to keep things simple, you can leave the time range set to all time, so Edge clears out everything that may be causing the issue. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to finish. After that, try loading the website again and see if the network error is gone. If the page still isn't opening, the next step is to try the site in a private window. A private window can help you figure out whether the issue is being caused by a bad extension, a saved session, or some stored browser data. To open one, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Edge and choose New in Private Window. Then type in the website address and test it again. If it loads in private mode, that's a strong sign the problem is related to your regular browsing data or extensions. If the network error still continues, the next thing you should do is check for Edge updates. Sometimes browser bugs or compatibility issues can cause sites to fail, and updating Edge can fix those problems right away. To check for updates, click the three dots in the top right corner again, go down to Help and Feedback, and then click About Microsoft Edge. Edge will automatically check for updates and install anything available. If it finds an update, let it finish installing, then restart the browser. After Edge reopens, try visiting the website one more time. In many cases, one of these three steps will solve the network error and get your browser back to normal. Clearing the cache removes broken stored data, private browsing helps rule out profile-related issues, and updating Edge makes sure you're using the latest version with the newest fixes. So if you were stuck with Microsoft Edge network errors, these are the first things I would recommend trying. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.